are going to love the 2017 Buick CASCADA. The Buick CASCADA is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.